on, fast guy, hurry up, man. We were waiting on you. I had to come all the way out to Fort Washington to get a goddamn brake caliper because the thread on my caliper driver's side is fucked. We were replacing my CV axle again, and somehow the thread for the lower bolt on the caliper is done. It's crucified. So now we got to get a new caliper so I can have brakes because that car was not stopping. And I need a brake booster. But yeah, trying to get the car show ready because somehow, some way, my car got accepted in the Sumo Speed Spring Fest down in Virginia Beach, which from the time of recording is like a week and a half away. So I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get everything done in time, but we're trying. We're trying.
Step the weight up.
Package secured. I haven't seen this girl in a couple of fucking days. It's been up here, man. I miss my car. I want my car back, yo. So the bolt down here is good, but the whatchamacallit, thread that goes into whatever to the caliper is seized. So new caliper. About to go ahead and throw that on, swap them out. Problem should be fixed. I'll have brakes and be able to drive my car again. So let's get this started. So we got the line on the new brakes, and y'all see 4 pistons in there, right? As it should be, right? Look at this junky shit. I'm missing a whole piston. This is the one that came on the car when I got the car, bro. This is the most ridiculous shit I've ever seen. I've been missing a piston the whole. Why the brakes were like that, bro? Something felt wrong. That explains everything. Missing a whole piston, and it's mad fluid in there, and that could be the leak too.
Shout out to you for racing like that,
bro. I'm just willpower, bro. Willpower. No one can stop me, bro. It's my ninja way, fool. But this is crazy. This is the jankiest thing I've ever seen, yo. That's so crazy. That shit makes me want to just replace every caliper on the car. Like, I just need to fully rebuild the car at this point, bro. I just need to fully rebuild the car at this point. Honestly. Shit. Yeah, if I were me, I should just, yeah.
After seeing that shit, that plus the subframe, I wouldn't be questioning no more.
Yeah, bro.
After seeing that.
Crazy, bro. That's literally insane.
That explains why you were beating. You look so mad. Why was your face like
that weak ass future. Driving past slow as shit. Speed. Like any other time. They be doing like 50 up there, Sean. Go ahead. What are you waiting for? Bro, on God, bro. On God. Alright, but that's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, to add insult to injury, we didn't even notice. They gave me the passenger side. I was trying to slide the caliper back onto the rotor and everything. Don't look at my nasty ass rotors. They're going to get replaced. And it wouldn't go on correctly. And then I look at it, and that definitely says R. I'm gonna show you guys the OEM one in a second, but it says L, and this Advix logo should be all up top when you put it on. So yeah, I knew, bro. That shit just pissed me off. So now we gotta go back, bro. Fuck me. All right, we got the right caliper now. D3337. All right, just took the Finney to go get the caliper. Courtesies of Dre. Kicks. I was so tempted to use your flame mat, but I was like, nah, let me chill. But that junk kicks. School out. But all right, time to throw the caliper back on with 4 pistons, not 3, and that should solve the braking issue we were having before. So let me go ahead and get started on that. So, new caliper is on. Put the little pin in. All that's left now is to bleed the brakes, and that should solve the issue we were having earlier. Now, I got my clickbait title. Moral of this video is don't buy a car from a used car dealership, because then you deal with janky ass used car dealers, side of the road dealership, shit like that. Missing a piston. Now, low-key, me or my brother should have caught this before. I don't know how we didn't catch this before when we changed my brakes a couple of times, but we really weren't even looking that hard, but we really had to assess this caliper, and there you go. So I got my clickbait title. I don't clickbait, but that's my clickbait title for today. Had to go back to AutoZone. I forgot brake fluid, but .4 or better is what my brother said, and I think we're just gonna go with the liquid moly. So liquid moly for the win. Brake fluid secured. Oh my days, bro. That's quite low.
I told you, you're gonna need more than this one.
I didn't realise that was that low.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and put in what we got, and then once I get back home, we're gonna go ahead and top her off, yeah?
You don't have to go get more.
Fuck, bro. Oh my days.
The slow fill.
Yes, bro.
Let's get in there, bro.
It's getting there.
Definitely gonna have air in the system, bro.
I'm gonna have air.
Definitely, bro.
What is that?
Actually, no. I don't see that. Well, definitely, because you just put a new caliper on. But hopefully it won't get dead system.
How long will it be on there? Will it be like
I'm gonna
that?
crack the bleeder screw so
The air
the
can
fluid
come out.
Yes, and it doesn't travel.
Looks like we have bare enough.
Just bad.
I mean, once we start bleeding it, some will come out, yeah?
Yeah.
Of course. Quite a bit.
Quite.
Oh, Lord. Alright, just topping her off, dude. So what you doing now, bro?
I'm cracking the bleeder valve right now, bro.
Alright, cracking the bleeder valve. It's on their side. And then what do we do after we crack the bleeder valve?
Start the car.
Start the car. Just turn it on.
And start pumping brake.
Ready? Ready to do it now?
Yeah, go for yep.
Your boy not from around these parts, bro. We just went to AutoZone and got the .5. Bleeding the brakes. My dumb ass didn't tighten the fucking bolt for the brake line all the way into the caliper. So we're sitting here trying to bleed the fucking brakes, and nothing but fluid squirts on everything that whole time. So that whole bottle just got wasted. So now I'm about to go to this gas station right here to buy like 3 bottles of .3 so we can bleed the brakes and be done. Jesus, man. I gotta run across this fucking shit again. It's 8:54, right? Ran over here the first time trying to get the .3 or the .5 or whatever, thinking everything's good. We can't, I thought I had to use .4 or higher because that's what my brother told me. Get over there, they don't have that. That's like only at a parts store or a dealer specific fluid, right? So I run all the way back over here to try and get over here as quick as possible, just in case we got to drive to AutoZone because they close at 9, just for this nigga to tell me, oh, let me run real quick. Just for Dre to tell me, you can use .3. I just told you to get .5 because it's better. Nigga just wasting my time. And it made me run, bro. Fuck that nigga. Got the fluid. Got some snacks. About to bleed the brakes and go home. It's too dark to really record anything, but I'll update y'all if anything significant happens. Oof. All right, she's back up and running for the most part. Still got to do the brake booster. It's the next day. I ain't recording when we get home, and I haven't drove the car. But the dust shield is good. Caliper is good. There's air in the system, but it's because the master cylinder is pretty much done. So we got to replace that. Trying to hurry up and get all this stuff done to the car before this road trip down to VA. So it's crunch time. Trying to install the bags this weekend, so hopefully we can get all that done too. And yeah, that's it.